So today we're making a pizza bread. Remember the last time we made the bread, right? So we have the bread dough here. This is the bread dough, like the same way we did just the last time on the last video. If you didn't check the bread video, you can just go back, check that video out. Then we continue from here. Then we got your chopped red onion, can be any other onion. We got your chopped red peppers and green peppers. It can be any other peppers or any other vegetable that you like. Then here we have our mozzarella cheese. It can be any other cheese you like, but we're doing pizza, so I prefer mozzarella. Then here we have our marinara sauce. Can be any tomato sauce that you like. You can even take your tomato puree, mix it with the tomato paste, and just cook it up and flavor it the way you want. Remember, cooking is to your own taste, not my taste. This is my taste here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take our bread dough, put it there on the counter. Remember, you can use your rolling pin, you can use anything that you want. You can even use a bottle. I don't have a rolling pin, so just like last time, I'm using my hands. So I'm just stretching my bread. Sorry, this is making noise for you guys. So I'm just stretching my bread. Rectangular shape. Then what we do from here, you take your marinara sauce. You can put as more or as less as you want. Your taste. Your food, your taste. Right? You spread it around. Remember, you're not throwing a Mona Lisa here. This is not a Mona Lisa. You're gonna roll this up. Nobody's gonna see this at the end of the day. Right? So you take your peppers, you hoy there. Just hoy your peppers around. Take your onions as well. Just hoy. You can put your garlic if you like garlic. Put your garlic. If you want some something spicy, some chili, whatever you have, bruh. Whatever you have in your kitchen. Take your cheese. You can even mix your mozzarella with some cheddar cheese, some parmesan, if you have at home. But something simple, just simple things to make at home. Remember, this is home cooking. It's not me at the restaurant cooking for whoever. But believe me, your husband, your wife, your kids, they'll love this bread. They'll eat this bread every morning. They will like. Now you roll it up like we did with the last bread. Same procedure. You roll it up, right? Just roll it up like this. Next, what you do, you just cut it in slices. Remember, you can use any knife you have. Bread knife, any knife you have. But make sure that before you start working your thing, your knife is sharp. Don't use a blunt knife, guys. Blunt knives are too dangerous. You see, now you cut it up. You take your bread tin like we did last time. Spray it up. Cook and spray. Use butter. Use oil. Use anything. Use whatever you have. Margarine. This is to make sure that your bread doesn't stick. Right? At this point, you can just pick it up like this, or do it number one. Just put it there. Just once at a time. Just relax so that it doesn't fall out. Okay? If it doesn't fit, just press it up like I'm doing now. Because I saw it was a little bit big. So I'm almost done. So I'm done with the prep, right? What we do now, we leave it to rise for 1 hour. You can leave it to rise for 1 hour, 2 hours. It depends on how big you want your bread. It's not about me. It's how you want your bread, right? So remember, like last time, we take a damp cloth, we take a damp cloth and we just cover it. Home place for me, my home place is around here somewhere. I'm gonna leave it there for like 1 hour and see you in an hour's time. So we're back buffet 2. It's been what, 1 hour or so. So our bread has risen. In a resin, it's near a resin the bread. So what we have here is just garlic, pepper, and some oil. So this is what you do. We have to be sanjay. Just be gentle with it. Even if you don't have this as a trans smash, you can even use your egg. You can use your egg wash. And that's it. That's it. In the oven, remember, always remember, your oven has to be on. Your oven has to be on like 10 to 15 minutes before you put your bread in. Otherwise, your bread is gonna flop and you say, my chef of expressions, no. Assembly of it. So we're going to bake our bread for like, give or take, 40 to 50 minutes. 40 to 50 minutes. Just check it for after 30 minutes, go to how far you are. But do not open your oven before 30 minutes. Your bread is gonna flop. And you're gonna say chef expression, like you always do. Right, sharp of it. 45 minutes is done. Oven, hot. Okay, here's our bread. This is what it looks like. Let's see if I can get it out. Aha! Check how hot your bread is, eh? So you can take the same that garlic infused oil. Just rub your bread with it. We cover like all around. Gives it a nice shine. Gives it that nice glow. Perfect, eh? Look at it. Don't worry about this. This is the cheese. This is the cheese. So the cheese will burn a bit. The cheese will burn a bit. Maybe right. So this is what your bread looks like. Let's cut it in. I think I did a good job. You can just take it. No, you can't. I can't. So you can cut your bread inside. Or what? So you got that cheesy inside. Check the inside. How cheesy and gooey it is. Check how cheesy it is inside. Cheesy tomato, peppery. It's like your pizza bread. It's like you rolled up your pizza bread. More now you can just remember the cheese sauce that we made. Let's pour the cheese sauce on top and have it like that. Have it like that. You can have it with tea. You can have it with not coffee. I don't like having bread with coffee. You can have it with tea. You can have it with whatever. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share with everybody, your enemies, your friends, your family. Remember, confuse the yellow lot. Shabafet. See you in the next one.